Hello, so today I'm gonna do the second unboxing of my Kinos. I actually am quite disappointed because these was delayed for like a couple of days, and then instead of receiving 3 black and 3 white Kinos, I got like 6 white Kinos, and the sole PC which I've wanted is Haechan's black Kino PC. So, Merry Christmas to me! Anyways, I'm gonna open for the pool still. And these was meant to be my last, like, Kino unboxing, but I am pretty sure I'm gonna order more because I really want this PC. Anyways, I hope we have some good pulls here. Let's at least have some good pulls. I mean, every member is good, but then give me Dream. I really want Haechan's PC for this too because it's like the same for his Departure PC. No, Arrival. Like album PC. I wish they've given me 6 black ones, but really just quite disappointed right now. But I'm gonna try my best. Okay, for the first one. Okay. For the first PC, we have Henry! Okay. I got a Henry for the black one in the first unboxing, so we already have a Henry set. Please give me Dream members. Why is it so hard to open? Okay, thank God. Thank God! We have Haechan. Thank God. Okay, that's already making it like a lot better. But I want this other PC. Give me more Dream. Or like, I don't mind getting a lot of Haechan. This is so hard to open for some reason. I think this is Haechan again. Joe! Oh my god! Yes! So sorry if I'm like not in the mood. I'm just really disappointed and I'm trying to finish my finals. Okay. I knew I would pull Jongwoo. Like, I really felt it. Haechan! Oh my god! Yes! I'm already much better. We have, I think it's Haechan again. Haechan na naman.
It's all Haechan.
Hindi pa naman. Oh my god, this is great. But I wanted this other PC. Okay, let's put this. This is satisfying at least. Last one, it's Mark! I got this Mark already, but yeah. Those are great pulls. Really, really great pulls. Hello. So today I'm gonna unbox one of my Kinos. I'm gonna get this scissor. I have low expectations, but I kinda need one card, especially Haechan's Arrival PC for this. So we're gonna manifest, we're gonna get it, we're gonna manifest. Okay. Wow. So they gave me like 2 cards extra, which is Yuta and Jaemin. I'm so scared. Please, please. I'm so scared, literally. Haechan, let's go. It's Chanla. Okay. Hello. So I'm gonna unbox these Resonance Part 1 albums. I know it's been a while, but these are the international press. So instead of yearbook cards, they come with postcards. We're gonna see the postcard. Jenna! Okay, this is a good pull. And for the PC, it's... Wait, who's this? Is this Doyoung? Doyoung! Jenna and Doyoung! Oh my god! Are there more? Oop. Oop. The pages came off. Oh no, this is the poster, lol. I have this though. This is the Hyuk poster. But yeah, I think the only difference is really the postcard instead of the ID card. But this is in the middle. This is usually here, I think. So, let's see. Okay. For the postcard, please, Haechan. It's 10! I couldn't see properly. It's 10. And then for the PC, we have the PC here. Where's the PC? Have some PC, hello. Hello. It's Johnny, I think. Yay, Johnny! I haven't had this PC before, so that's nice. Johnny and then Doyoung is literally my friend's bias, as well as Stan. Okay, give me a dreamy PC, give me a dreamy PC. Please be Haechan for the postcard. I really want the postcard. For this, it's Johnny again. Johnny. And then for the Jisung! So those are my tools. Hello, so today I have a few old albums that arrived, so I'm gonna unbox them. I actually wasn't planning on doing an unboxing, so I already did one album. But yeah, I'm so happy already because from this I already pulled Mark, which is the sole reason why I bought this album. And then I got the group PC and then Kai postcard. But I think I'm just gonna unbox the rest because why not? I'll do the orange one again. I really want, as I already pulled Mark, I want Taeyong's PC. And I also want Mark's orange ID card. So yeah. So here's the next one. The PC is in there. You know what? I'm just gonna go with the polls. I'm gonna go through this later. I wanna pull Taeyong or maybe Baekhyun's PC. Mark again, is it? Look at double Mark! And then the same group PC. Oh my god! And then we get Taemin. This is a different thingy. I hope for Mark. Ah, Kai! For the first one, I pulled a Kai postcard and then a Taemin ID card. So yeah, I have Kai set. And then I have double Mark. That's so fun. Then I'll do the green one. If this is Mark again, I'm gonna be so happy. That's so fun. Parehas si Mark. Ma. I hope for Taeyong. I wanna pull Taeyong. If it's another Mark, I'll be okay. Okay, there's nothing here. Then here, I just hope to get... Oh, Taeyong! Taeyong! And then... Who is that? Is this Baekhyun? Ah! It's different PC! That's such a good... In the other group PC! And then, please, Mark. It's Kai again! That's such a good pull! Okay.